wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best walking canes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Drive Medical Sling Seat bridges the gap between comfortable chair and useful mobility aid for incredible versatility, but it does make some sacrifices in the process, resulting in a bulky design that's difficult to pack and store. It comes with foam grips on both arms, however note that you should follow the directions to avoid injury, and it takes some time to get used to it. At number 9, if you want to make a fashion statement with your support system, the Harvy unisex palm grip is the way to go. It features a hardwood shaft and a sturdy acrylic handle that come together in several finish combinations. It's contoured to the palm with a gold banding under the grip, but note that it's more for balance than weight bearing. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Hugo Mobility quadpod has a base with 4 points of contact, but it was designed without the bulk of older versions, making it lighter and easier to carry or store when you're not using it. It includes a reflective strap and a shock-absorbing cushioned top, however the tips can't take a lot of abuse. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for walking canes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the rubberized handle on the charming cane's adjustable is contoured to accommodate the hand, and the material won't degrade or leave an aroma on your skin that foam can. It's available in a wide range of colors and patterns. It's made from durable and high-quality aluminum, and comes with a carrying pouch and a matching soft tip. Moving up our list to number 6. Getting around with an injury or ailment is hard enough in the daytime, so when the sun sets, you can reach for the Ohuhu folding LED, which has a built-in flashlight to both illuminate your way and make you visible to motorists. It's equipped with a pivoting base for rough terrain and 5 holes for height adjustments. However, it doesn't stand well on its own. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Switch Stick's engraved soiree sports an elegant pattern that proves these things don't have to detract from your personal style. It has a convenient wrist lanyard to keep it close at hand, even if it slips from your grasp. It includes a travel bag and folds up in seconds, but the finish is prone to chipping. At number 4, if you imagine a simple wooden cane, it probably looks a lot like the Carex Traditional. It doesn't have any fancy bells and whistles, but it's affordably priced, smooth to the touch, and very lightweight for easy carrying. It's solid rather than hollow and exactly 36 inches tall. However, it's not as durable as metal versions. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the convenient and moderately priced Drive Medical T-handle can support users weighing as much as 300 pounds. When you don't need it, you can just fold it up and set it aside, or hang it using the included plastic clip. It's made with durable steel tubing and available in bronze or black, both with a contoured wooden handle. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for walking canes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you have a hard time accessorizing, the Nova Medical Products Designer comes in over 30 color and pattern finishes, each of which is inexpensive enough that you can stock up on more than one style without breaking the bank. The height is adjustable and it has a 300-pound weight capacity. It's chip and fade resistant. And coming in at number 1 on our list, most models come with a standard grip, but not the Campbell posture. Its cleverly shaped top helps users stand upright without looking down, which in turn takes pressure off the shoulder and makes it easier to move with good balance. It eases sit-to-stand transitions and features a 6-pointed rubber tip and 10 height settings. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for walking canes, or simply click beneath this video.